Hey YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I'm in Ontario visiting for for a week or 10 days or so. Then I'm back to Edmonton. I'm just on days off. And this is my Etobicoke Airbnb. Check this out. But first of all, this is what I'm driving. It's a 2017 Mercedes AMG C63 rear-wheel drive. Like, look at the size of these rear wheels. Look at the width of them. This thing is a monster. This thing just wants to go, and whenever you apply the throttle, you step on the gas, and it just wants to go. 20-inch wheels on the rear, 19-inch wheels on the front. It's a drop-top convertible, and it's a friggin' monster. This thing is powerful, super light, and I was having some fun with it yesterday. I had originally rented a Bentley for a week, and as it turns out, it was scheduled in for brake work, so I had to return it. I had to come back to Ontario, or I had to come back to Toronto a day early. I went to northern Ontario for a visit with the Bentley, and it needs brake work. And anyways, it's in the shop right now getting brake work, and this is my loaner. So hopefully I get the Bentley back to be able to continue my Ontario visit. But this thing, wow, this thing is a rocket, this car. I'll continue with another video, like with me driving. You gotta see this, it just performs. I've never been a Mercedes lover, but this car is remarkable. My Toronto Etobicoke Airbnb. So with me coming back a day early from Parry Sound for visiting my friends, I kind of had to take an Airbnb at the last minute. I had to choose one quickly. This one was 75 bucks Canadian. So he's got a whole bunch of rooms in here set up as you're about to see. So he's turned this whole house into an Airbnb. It is friggin' muggy here in Ontario. I had the air conditioning going all last night, and I came out of the air conditioning, and it is muggy as I remember it. I do not like Ontario for the humid mugginess all summer long. But it is what it is. I'm back for a visit. So that's in the little kitchen there. Nice backyard. Actually, no. It looks like the neighbor's backyard. We don't have a backyard in this place.
Verification failed. Verification failed. Zero. Unlock.
Yeah, so small little kitchen. Look at this, the air conditioning's up there. And there's the remote for it. It was difficult to find it at first. It was almost 90 degrees in here yesterday, and I couldn't find the air conditioning. He was explaining, it's over by the washing machine, it's over by the washer dryer. Now I see it. Took me a few minutes, and then I realized, okay, there's the remote. There it is up there. It's up high. But look how old this friggin' stove is. Like, I wonder if they bought that vintage, like, purposely. The stovetop is ancient. That's gotta be 50 years old. They probably did it on purpose. It's probably bought vintage, but that's crazy. You never see stoves like that, stovetops like that anymore. So of course, Nothing in here, nothing in here. And it comes with 2 beds. So I had my luggage on one. I slept in the other. I slept pretty good. Fireplace. The washroom. Nice shower. So that's what I rented. So Airbnbs are always 11 o'clock a.m. checkout, always, every single one of them. I stayed in over 30 Airbnbs, always 11 o'clock. So I got in touch this morning. I woke up about 9:30, and he expects me out by 10. But I guess I signed up for this so fast yesterday, I didn't even realize it was 10 a.m. checkout, which you never hear of. You never hear of a freaking 10 a.m. checkout. That's ridiculous. You want to be able to sleep in a little bit. So I texted him back, and yeah, he's giving me until 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's going on 10:30 right now. I'm really thirsty. I should get something to drink. You can probably hear it in my voice. But yeah, it's okay. That's the Airbnb. That's all you get. And then, oh yeah, maybe fill a little bit of this out the back. Stairs, grubby, filthy. Wouldn't want to go there for nothing. So here's the rest of the building. This is quite interesting.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm just checking out.
Okay.
I'm just showing my girlfriend just the rest of the Airbnb. How's your day going? You do good? I'll be out here in just a few minutes. Then the shower in here. For these residents. Whole bunch of Airbnb rooms in here.
This not Airbnb.
Yeah.
This side.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Boy. The cleaner I met him last night. He was watching me like a hawk. All the rooms were open, that was cool. I could film a little bit. Hopefully everybody got to see the inside of the rooms, but anyways, I should sign out here. This is Trev in Toronto. The section of Toronto is Etobicoke, and I'm just signing out. This is my Airbnb. $75 for the night, not bad. It's clean, comfortable. It was what I needed. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. And hit the thumbs up, please, on the way out. If you like videos like this, I'll continue to do Airbnb tours. Take care, you guys. Trev from Monthly Mission signing out.